Honorable guests, respected teachers, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear friends, good morning to one and all. This is Shadab. I attend class 12 from SS Inter College in Khandikara. And nowadays I am learning spoken English language at American Institute in Kashipur. I live at Dayal in Rampur. My hobbies is playing and appreciating music. Now I am going to tell you family. Family is an important unit of society. It holds great importance in social life. It is the strongest unit of society. Our society is made up of families. Family is the first school in which a child receives the basic value of life. We learn good manners in family. The morals and values learned in family become our guiding force. They make our character. They lay the foundation of our thinking. I feel fortunate to be born in a family where values are taught in early childhood. Now I am going to tell you about my daily life routine. I get up early in the morning because people says early to bed, early to rise makes man healthy, wealthy and wise. That's why I get up early in the morning. Then I stretch my limbs and take a glass of lukewarm water. Then I go to washroom and get fresh. After getting fresh, I come out of washroom and wash my hands. And splash on my face. Then I put on my tracksuit and go for a walk. After a walk, I come back my home and take a little rest. After taking rest, I change my clothes and go to bathroom and take shower. After taking shower, apply shampoo, soap and towel my body. Then I put on clothes. After putting, I get ready. After getting ready, I take breakfast. My mom serves me breakfast. She prepares breakfast. She is good manners person. She is sociable and talkative person. She is honest person. She is housewife. After taking breakfast, I go to bus stand and catch the bus. After catching the bus, I come to Kashipur at American Institute. I come to Kashipur at American Institute. I wish my teacher, officers and parliaments and my batchmates. After wishing, I attend the class. I learn new things in daily class. Aloksan is good trainer. He is a professional trainer. He is good manners and sociable and talkative person. Ever since I joined American, I get rid of my nervousness, hesitation and tongue tightness, shortcomings. I get fluency in English. After attending class, I go back my home and take breakfast. My sister serves me breakfast. She is talkative and sincere and intelligent person. After that, I take a siesta. After taking siesta, I go to shop and help my father with shop. After that, I go to market and purchase some eatable items and vegetables for home. Then I come back home and study 2 hours and stretch. After that, I meet my friends and go to restaurant and take some snacks. After taking snacks, I play PUBG 2 hours at stretch. Then I come back home and take dinner. After taking dinner, I go for a little walk because walk is good for health. That's why I walk. Then I come back home and go to bed and operate mobile till late night. Then I sleep. That's all about my daily life routine. Thanks for listening to me. Have a good day. Good night.
Yes.